guys, so today we're going to do another wig try on, a chit chat wig try on. I've been liking these because I get to talk to you guys about stuff that's going on in my life and hair. Okay. Alright, so today's wig try on is from Wiggins Hair. This is their 100% on. This is so this is their packaging. Okay, and we're gonna see what they sent. Alright, so if you guys do like the wig, I'll have all their information down below in the description box for you, okay? I'm going to go ahead and put on a wig cap because my two braids are real dusty looking. Like, I just feel like I look like I need to get myself together. There goes my curling iron. I just feel like I look like I'm tired, because I am. You know, when I'm not on here, I'm usually busy doing something in my house, some project, some this, some that. So recently, finally replaced the lighting in the half bathroom that I've been working on, and I absolutely love the new lighting. I've had that light fixture in my cart for like a few months now. Love it. So show you guys a picture here of the before and after. I am doing a I'm actually in the process of editing a couple of videos for my DIY channel. I'll have the information to that channel down below, or the name right here, so you guys could check out my DIY channel. But I'm so happy with how that light fixture looks. Like, you have no idea. I never in my life thought a light fixture would make me that happy. You know, and now that I'm a homeowner, when I say I want to buy myself something, chances is I'm buying the house something. So I am the house is me. Okay, that's just life now. Alright, so this is how the unit comes. It comes with it comes with a satin baggie to store your wig. I love it when companies include these, and it has the company name and logo on there. They also give you a strap, which is a good amount. Usually they give you a really tiny piece, but they give you a strap so you can sew one in yourself, and you also get wig caps in there. And this is 22 inches in length. I'll have all the information to the unit down below that you may need, any extra information. Okay, this is just care card and how to put on a wig and how to measure your head. Okay, so paper in there. Ooh, so you have a good amount of parting space in this one. We have 3 combs in this one, so 2 right here on the top, so one here, and then one in the back of the neck. So hopefully you could see that. Okay, and it's a really good thickness, even though I haven't brushed it out yet, and it's heavy. I want to say this is a 180% density. Just by looking at it, I'll have the correct density down below, but just from looking at it, I want to say this is at least 180, maybe 200. From the way it already looks, the curls are so pretty and so shiny, but I haven't styled it yet. So pretty. Okay, it has a very nice pre-plucked hairline. And you get 6 inches worth of parting. So from here to about back here worth of parting. So yeah, let's put this baby on. I'm going to cut the lace off. So yeah, trying to work on some new content or videos that I have to finish editing up for my DIY channel, so you guys could see what I've been doing in the house. And a lot of you that follow me on my personal page that's non-makeup or wig hair related, you know, enjoy watching me do my little projects around the house. And honestly, I prefer to do projects more than I do videos here on YouTube, you know, beauty related stuff, because I don't know, I just feel like it's more rewarding. So, and it's something that lasts a bit longer. Like when I do a makeup look, yeah, you know, you guys will see that video one time, but if you go back and watch it, then that's different. But if I'm fixing something in my house, you know, that's going to last a bit. That's something I'm going to see every single day, you know, and I feel like I put more effort into it you know, time and energy and all that good stuff. The stove was a big part of the kitchen, so I'm gonna start the process on cleaning off the cabinets and taking off the shine off of them. I do want to film that whole process just for some of you who want to, you know, redo your cabinets and paint them. I'm not gonna order new cabinets. I'm just gonna paint the ones the house came with because they are in good condition. There's nothing wrong with them except for their color. I don't like that oak brownish stained wood. I don't care for that. A lot of people still like that look. I just don't like it. So I'm going to be painting over my cabinets and just kind of giving them more of a more modern feel. So I'll be painting them white, new hardware, all of that good stuff. Also getting a new faucet. I wanted to get a new sink, but I think I'll wait for that. Because if I get a new sink, I'll have to get my granite cut. I thought about doing it myself, but it's a lot of work cutting granite. Get that on there. Okay, wow. It sits really, really, really flat on the head. Can you see that? Like really, really nice and flat on the head. So if you want to glue that down, you can go ahead and do that. The curls are so pretty, but they definitely need to be fluffed out, you know, with your fingers and just get it bigger. Wow, this is gonna look really huge. I don't want to use my comb. I feel like I'll take out too much of the pattern, so I'll just use my fingers to finger comb. Yeah, it's gonna be huge. Like if you like big curly hair, this is the wig for you. The kitchen is pretty much my main project area right now. It's the only area where I'm trying to focus my energy on, so I'll be working on the cabinets, cleaning them up, installing my upper cabinets, painting. I want to try and get this done before Thanksgiving. I feel like that's too soon to get it all done, but you never know, you know, you never know. And then try to do YouTube at the same time, like hopefully it can all just work out. I do have some hair coming out, so just be gentle when going through the curls. Let me just try something. And put some mousse on there. Okay. Let me see. Because it's straight out of the box, I know most of you probably wait a good minute to get your wig, and then you can't wear it right away because you have to wash it first. Let me see if I can get it looking decent. Okay, that works. Okay, that works. It helps kind of tame the curl down, but you're still loose. You can part all the way back here if you want to. This is the back. Alright you guys, so I was curious to see how this unit would look washed. So I washed it, that's why the video cut out. I washed it with water, so co-washed it basically. Water and conditioner. The water was tinted just a tiny bit, but wasn't like black or anything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna try her on again because when I first put it on, you know, the lace was very visible because the lace is very light. It's almost like a, I want to say like the transparent whitish looking lace. So I'm gonna put a bit of foundation on the lace on the inside right here. See, you can see where I put it. I'm just gonna kind of jiggle that into the lace so it takes away that really light edge. You can also get lace tint and tint your lace, make it darker or, you know, more suitable for your complexion. They do sell it in the beauty supply store, or you can use you know, like the hair dye, that's a semi-permanent hair dye. So I put just enough to the edge of the lace because I wanted to take away that look that it had because I could see it on camera. Okay, so let me see. Try her back on. The wig went on super easy. I got a little bit of powder. Just a little. Oh, it's still huge. It is still huge. So the thickness didn't change. Because you know sometimes when you get like curly wigs and you wash them, the thickness changes. Like they get like super flat or thin, or the curls they just don't go back to how it was. So this one, you know, once you once you finger comb out the curls, it's nice and big again. Okay, and that is the lace right there. I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush to redefine the part. So it just looks like, you know, my hair is parted this way. The wig is not glued down, so you still may see the edge of the lace, like when I get super, super close. But I feel like when I'm in a distance, you can't see it. I can't really see it on the mirror, like it looks blurred out to me when I look at it. But I don't know how it's showing up on camera. I might add it here when I see it. But I feel as though the unit still looks pretty much the same after you co-wash it or wash it. I just put it in some hot water with conditioner. I let it sit in there, you know, and then when I took it out of the water was tinted just a tiny bit, maybe like a tan color. So it is a really thick, nice unit from Wiggins Hair. Again, this is 22 inches if I'm not mistaken. I'll have the details for this unit down below in the description box. It has a really nice pre-plucked hairline. It comes partially parted, but not like all the way, just like a little here. So it just makes it easier for you to do that yourself. And the lace on this one is light, so you may have to tint your lace, all right? If you guys found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this unit. And I'll see you guys all very soon in another video. Oh, don't forget to check out my DIY channel. I just uploaded on there. Super happy about the video that just went up on there. It's something that I wanted to get done since I moved into the house, and it's finally done. And I feel like my dining / sitting room is slowly coming together, so definitely check that out if you have time. It's a makeover on my dining room table. Anyways, I love you guys. I'll see you all very soon in another video. Bye.